Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing how you can use a GameCube controller on your Nintendo Switch. So you'll need a GameCube controller. I've got a third party one here. These come pretty cheap. This one was £5 and £3.50. A USB hub, just in case. Very cheap one, about £1 from Pound Shop. And a GameCube adapter. These are very expensive. Bought this one on eBay for $9.99. And it has two modes. The modes are Switch/Wii U or PC. We want it on Switch and Wii U. And it also uses two USB cables. One's for power, one's for rumble. So, how to set this up? Right. So you'll need, just wait a minute, you will need to get your two USB cables into the USB hub, and then, like this, to this, and then this thing goes into any of these ports. Like so. And then I can plug this into my USB port on my Nintendo Switch dock. As you can see, this is plugged into this, and this is plugged into here. Okay. And it recognises it as a Pro controller. A wide Pro controller. And this does work in any game, but the controls are a bit limited. So if you can use it on Minecraft, but the GameCube controller has limited buttons basically. Works in Mario Maker 2, not Tetris 99. Works in some of those games. Probably works in Fortnite. And it definitely works in Smash. I recommend using it for Smash. Best game to use it in. So, do I recommend buying a GameCube controller and adapter? Yes, of course I do. It's a more cheaper way of having a good experience on Nintendo Switch. It works perfectly fine. You won't get drift. You will never get drift. I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see new videos on this channel. Thank you, and peace.